At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, counseling and support services will be provided today at the schools attended by the children who died in Sunday house fire in Cottage, St. Anne's. The victims, who are siblings, have been identified as 7-year-old Tashwana, 4-year-old Tashani, and 2-year-old Tavarno Mattis. My wisdom warriors, this is a very good look, Yeah, when you have counselors dispatched to schools, for these type of things. Not many schools get this. Seriously, a whole heap of incident like this, me say, a whole heap of people dead, and they not get no counseling. They not get no counseling whatsoever. But this is a good look. I hope not just one day counseling and that's it. I hope it go on for a while. You understand? Because them really need the support. The school at this point, the family, the community need the support. Well, them did say yesterday said the community will get support. I mean, no, the community now get not a support. My wisdom warriors. However, it is good them send out counselors to the school. So that is a good look. A tattoo artist has been charged with burglary and grievous sexual assault following an incident in Norwood, St. James on Sunday, January the 5th, 2025. He has been identified as 34-year-old Stephen Samuel, otherwise known as Cartel of Maxfield Avenue, Kingston 13. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? Tattoo artist charged with burglary of an 11-year-old pitney and grievous assault. 11-year-old, 11-year-old. You tell me now. And when I call upon Delroy Chuck to release and publish the sexual offender registry, them ignore it and I go on like them not hear. Them ignore it. You understand? And this sound like this person probably do it before, Yeah. And you see who in target? 11-year-old child. 11-year-old. When you call upon the government to publish the sexual offender registry, they don't want to publish nothing. They might hide the raper boy, them and protect them. They might hide and protect the raper boy, them. I don't know how them say them love Jamaica and care for Jamaican people, but they might hide the raper boy, them. The government of Jamaica. And then every day you come out and you talk about you like Jamaican people and you doing this for Jamaica. You not do nothing for Jamaican people. A whole heap of pitney get kidnapped and a whole heap of pitney get raped. Whole heap of time. You understand? And guess what, my wisdom warriors? You have a lot of men who do these sexual offenses, then go in, and then come back out. And then come back out and do the same thing. But you see, if the government of Jamaica did publish the sexual offender registry, me I tell you, my wisdom warriors, a lot more pitney would be saved. Yeah, a lot more pitney would be saved. But them not care. Like seriously, nobody no need glasses for see. You do not need glasses for see. You understand me? They don't really care. And it's just the truth. I know some of people don't like when I talk, but it is the truth. Delroy Chuck come out and he can see with him eye. Say the pitney them, remember say pitney in Jamaica allow to take man from them as 16-year-old and take woman from them as 16-year-old. Yet, child support, then say parent have to pay child support up until them are 23. Delroy Chuck can't see that, But him couldn't see, say if he publish the sexual offender registry. He never said that one day. Remember, my wisdom warriors, when somebody go, when somebody do them sexual whatever, and they go in, Yeah, and then do the entire man and come out in my wisdom warriors. It is good we all can look up on Google and know who and who a raper boy. You understand me? That means if a strange face come in the community, we can check them out. What is wrong with that? Delroy Chuck not depend that. Delroy Chuck say he don't want the Jamaican people for a pine pan a raper boy. And that Delroy Chuck say. And this is this set of people who don't want to run Jamaica. Let me tell you now, Jamaican people. You see, if you don't allow Jamaica Labour Party to be in power, to stay in power, my wisdom warriors, a lot of no picnic go missing. Remember, you know, a whole heap of picnic go missing, you know. Left, right, and center, you know. Since the Jamaica Labour Party take over, you know, how much picnic gone missing? Talk truth, how much of them find? How much them find? Majority of the time, 99% of the time, they not find back a picnic them. You never hear so they up the road or they find them alive or find them dead. Never. Never. I'm telling you, there's child trafficking going on in Jamaica. Juliet Cockburn Flynn came out. She mentioned it. She talk about it. You understand? She talk about it and she claims, say, them the JLP go put a stop into it. All know. All know. You understand me? Someone want to know, open up on our eyes, Jamaica. Open up on our eyes. The crime is just out of control. And them out here a lie and putting out wrong statistic. This is what the government has been doing. The JCF in particular have been doing this and it need to stop. Just because you don't want to look good. And you all do it for Andrew Wellness. You don't do it for nobody else. You JCF. You don't want next one. You doing this for Andrew Wellness. You don't do it for the Jamaican people. You understand me? Why you not do that? I put out wrong statistic. Why would they do something like that? People life is in danger. People need to know the real truth. Listen, let me tell you something. The people them on the ground know the real truth. The people them know say crime is not reducing. Them know that. If anyone now want to pick up on the phone right now and call anybody at Jamaica, ask them about the crime I want to hear. Just ask them. Them say them a pray for the crime just stop or the crime reduce. And that the people them a pray for. So when me hear JCF come out and talk about crime is reducing, you know, stop it, man. Stop putting out wrong statistic. All because of one man. How to make JCF? Somebody tag JCF for me there. JCF, let me ask you a question. How to make one man a run on your head? JDF, how to make one man a run on your head? How? And no for uno. Majority of uno come from poor people home. Majority of uno. And uno same one come and fight we off and kill off the people them. And uno know how the thing set. Uno know how the thing set. But uno don't look out for uno people, man. Uno look out for man. One man have a whole of uno pan a puppet and a string. One man a run on your head. Can't rate uno. I can't rate uno, Jano. My wisdom warriors, the truth is Jamaica has a major problem combating violent crimes. Yeah. Jamaica has a big major problem combating violent crimes. And guess what? Many visiting tourists, returning residents, and Jamaican citizens were victims of violent crimes in 2024. Me nah hear nobody talk about that. Me nah hear Nationwide come out and put out these things. Andrew Wellness now come out and do no press briefing about these things. You understand? But the world need to know. The world need to know. The JCF released a bogus crime rate statistic. Remember me talk about it earlier. For fiscal year 2024 of 1,139, which did not include the murder categories of self-defense, suicide, missing persons, and death by investigations. My wisdom warriors. My wisdom warriors. So, you see, when they do all these things now, they must say crime reduce. But crime not reduce. Everybody know that. Crime is not reducing. And them lie to us. They lie to us. Them come out with bogus crime rate statistic and a trick the Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, they must need to stop. And them a do all of this because of one man, one criminal. One criminal. Even if 1,139 were accurate, the truth is that it is way too high for a Caribbean nation that is not at war. Jamaica, this is serious something, you know. This is serious something. Serious something. Me wouldn't like to see people out on a protest against these violent crimes. I would love to see that. But me no know what do know. Me no know what hole on a dog. Me no know what Andrew Wallace blow up or uno. This is not the Jamaican people where me know. This is not the Jamaica where me know my wisdom warriors. So much crime. And nobody know how to protest day upon top of day. Something really wrong. Something really wrong. But anyway, you tell me how you feel about it and put your opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that J.C. Hutchinson, you remember when the people then come out other day and did a protest and said they want him out, and then he go up and in campaign or whatever and go pan. Yeah, and he just a hype so, and he just a show off so, how every year them come out and them protest against him, but him always win back on one bag of something. You know, remember? Hey, then say show off bring disgrace, you know. Then say show off bring disgrace, and this mania is the perfect example. My wisdom warriors, it is alleged that Andrew Wallace tell himself to find somebody quick and fast. Else, if he doesn't, he might go do it himself. So he must move up. Anyhow, I don't know how the things that already my wisdom warrior. So I have to read out this, I don't know how I go on. The Northwest St. Elizabeth constituency will have a new representative going into the general election this year, as a long-time member of Parliament J.C. Hutchinson has indicated that he will not be seeking re-election. So my wisdom warriors, them a make it look like say, you know, a him no one seek re-election. So them a make it look, you know. Remember say him come out what day, you know, did a hype, you know. Remember, you know, me have a video, you know. Come here, I go refresh on the memory. Me have the video right here. What a way show off bring disgrace. Uno out here a trouble PNP, but phone no wanna spoil. On Saturday, Mr. Hutchinson nominated Andrew Morris, the principal of Lokovia High School, as his replacement at a monthly meeting of the constituency executive. So basically, my wisdom warriors, Andrew Wallace just asked him to go smoothly. So them a make it look like say I him not seek, nothing like that. Andrew Wallace want him out. Andrew want him out. Anyway, take in this.
And that's why Jessie can move right now. Because when we look on the road, Jessie not doing nothing to hit the lock over all now. Look on the straight road. Look at what done. How Jessie behave like that. Man, we go one side, man. I think time move now, man.
Over the years in a power, and I don't see what he is doing to Northwest St. Elizabeth. So he must go in, can expire, so he must go make a younger set come and take his seat. The last election, I don't vote for Ochi. So the next election, next year, they say to run, I will never vote if he no come out. We get rid of Ochi.
Them time has come, you know. In fool the people them has enough. And the people them make up their mind and you say higher authority need to come on the ground and come know what go on.
But I want you to understand, for every election that we have had, you have had the people coming out and demonstrating against me. And every election I have won by a bigger majority. I told the area council a couple weeks ago that the demonstration was coming because I call it the pre-election demonstration because we know it's coming. And I won't get into the sort of people who are there, but some of them, you help them once, you help them twice, and the time you don't help them, then turn around and cuss you. One of them has sent on farm work And after 3 weeks, the man come back home, said the work too tough. He can't manage it. And then him now want the MP to support him. Another one you see in the picture, him admit that him got 50 chicken and 5 bag of feed from me.
Mr.
But the black drum. So you understand the people that I deal with in my constituency. So no matter what happened, they have become good. The rest of them who were there get $5,000 and a box lunch.
Mr. Butteria.
I want to say to all of you, Northwest St. Elizabeth has benefited greatly under this Prime Minister.
If Northwest St. Elizabeth did benefit underneath the Prime Minister, the people them who come out and a cuss and I said the man there for how much years and not do nothing. So I don't know where him a chat to my wisdom warriors. So no see, now him have to go. Because the people them don't want him there. The people them fed up and they don't want him there, so that he got to go. But them just make it look like I just him no one go back. You know, have nothing to do with that. Show off, bring disgrace. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.